Hello, everybody. I want to go through one of the activities that we were planning on doing today. This is the robot, the Brushbot, as it were. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that you have all the different pieces put together so that you know how to do it. So everybody has a battery and a packet in your baggie of materials that you're going to pick up. And you'll go ahead and take that out. You just stick the bag to the side. You'll notice that there's a device with two wires, and this is the vibrating motor out of a phone, like an iPhone or an Android. It's a cam. It's not completely a perfect circle, and so it's a little out of balance, and that's why it vibrates. You have the head of a cheapo toothbrush. You have a piece of plastic straw. You have a couple of rubber bands, and then you have some stickum stuff. So there's a couple of different ways to put this together, but I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you the quick and easy way. You want to make sure that your toothbrush is kind of pushed out a little bit. You want to make sure that when you put it down on the table, it's going to be flared out. Actually, you'll find that if you have a used toothbrush at home, they tend to work a little bit better than a new toothbrush because it's changing the center of mass of these guys. So there we go. I'm going to take a little bit of the stickum off of here, and I'm going to stick it right on top of this. This is not necessarily how you would want to do yours, but I'm just trying to do it as quickly as possible so that everybody can see one design. Maybe. There we go. There's about 6 or 7 different ways to put one of these together. There we go. I got it off there now. I'm going to go ahead and put the straw on the top and line it up. There we go. So now what I have is I have a straw on top of the toothbrush. This is your battery. The battery, you'll notice, just slides nicely through there, and you're going to take the rubber band, one of the rubber bands, and you're going to put it onto the battery like so. All right, so now what we have here is we have everything except for the motor. The motor has 2 different leads. The motor is a DC, it's direct current motor, so it really doesn't matter which way you put it on there. I'm going to go ahead and just stick this on. This is what holds the lead onto the battery, and I don't know if you can actually hear it. It's vibrating, and so I'm going to go ahead and put it on here and see what happens. And I'm going to have to work a little bit to get that to stand up. And I can get it to spin. What I'll have to do is I can adjust it. This is where you'll get to be able to do some of the play with it, but you can make it so that perhaps it'll just go, let's see if I can get it to go forward. Now it's going to fall over. Make it dance a little bit. So this is essentially what you're going to be doing with this, and then I'm going to give you an opportunity to do a quick little an image for me of your robot, your Brushbot, as it were. All right, thank you.